We're going to turn now to Washington, where the Supreme Court says it will take up former President Trump's claim that he should be immune from prosecution for his actions on January 6th, or for that matter, any other day in office. The hearing is set for late April, which could have a big impact on November's election. Jan Crawford is following all of it for us. There's no one better. Jan, good morning.
Well, good morning, Tony. You know, President Trump is facing 4 different criminal prosecutions. This one's a challenge to the special counsel's federal election interference case. But that ruling here could affect the other cases against Trump and have a lasting impact on presidential power.
You have to have a guaranteed immunity for a president. Otherwise, a president's not going to be able to function.
Former President Trump is now taking that claim from the campaign trail to the highest court in the country. In 8 weeks, the Supreme Court will hear landmark arguments to decide whether, and if so, to what extent, does a former president enjoy presidential immunity from criminal prosecution for conduct alleged to involve official acts during his tenure in office.
He is urging the Supreme Court to adopt and embrace immunity on a scope that the court has never before upheld.
Trump faces 4 felony charges, including obstruction and conspiracy for allegedly interfering with the 2020 election.
We're going to walk down to the Capitol.
Special counsel Jack Smith says Trump used the January 6 attack on the Capitol to hold onto power. But Trump denies that and says because he was president at the time, he's immune from prosecution. Lower courts have already denied the former president's claim twice, with the D.C. Federal Appeals Court flatly rejecting a dramatic hypothetical last month.
Could a president who ordered SEAL Team 6 to assassinate a political rival who was not impeached, would he be subject to criminal prosecution?
If he were impeached and convicted first.
The Supreme Court hearing will be Trump's final shot at dismissing the case and could delay his trial indefinitely.
The district court proceedings are basically going to be put on hold. They'll be held in suspended animation, awaiting a decision from the Supreme Court.
Now, a decision in this case is expected by the end of June. That's a faster timeline than most cases, but it still does call into question whether there's going to be enough time for a trial in the case before November. Tony?
That is the question. Jan, thank you very much.